With the anticipated mainnet launch of the Pi network in December 2024, there is renewed speculation about Pi Coin's market value in 2025 as it transitions from a closed beta to a fully tradable token on major exchanges. Here we explore Pi Coin's potential price movements, ranging from conservative to bullish, and analyze factors that may shape Pi's trajectory once it enters the open market. Pi Coin price prediction post-mainnet launch. Following the mainnet release, experts predict Pi network could trade between $93.41 and $220.46 in 2025, with an average price around $141.64. This wide range reflects the speculative excitement and the anticipated demand following the official token launch. Initial trading could see high volatility, with January potentially being the most bullish month. Following the anticipated launch of mainnet in December 2024, pioneers would be highly euphoric and would aggressively push the price upwards. Monthly PI price predictions and potential ROI for 2025. With the official Pi network token set to launch in December 2024, these projections reflect anticipated prices for each month in 2025. Month minimum price, average price, maximum price potential ROI, January 136.1 Pi network GCV value. A faction of the Pi community created global consensus value, GCV, and their theory derives Pi coin valuation of $314,159. This astronomical figure emerged from within the Pi community, cleverly incorporating the mathematical constant pi. It shows how passionate pioneers are about the project and are eagerly waiting for the mainnet launch by the end of 2024. However, Pi co-founder Nicholas Kokalis or the Pi network team never endorsed or suggested this specific valuation. Factors influencing Pi coin price in 2025. Post-mainnet launch, mainnet transition and market accessibility. December 2024's mainnet launch marks a significant milestone as it will allow Pi coin to be traded on exchanges, enabling true price discovery. Network adoption and user base expansion. Pi network's 45 million plus miners and growing user base could drive strong initial demand, especially if the network maintains active engagement post-launch. Utility and ecosystem development. Partnerships, DApp development, and utility expansion within the Pi ecosystem could boost user confidence and trading interest in 2025. Market sentiment and external influences. The overall crypto market landscape and investor sentiment will also impact Pi's value. Regulatory developments and major crypto trends may either support or hinder its potential. Expert opinions on Pi network's potential in 2025 crypto investor analysis. Reflecting on Pi's unique position, they predict a bullish 2025, with prices ranging from $76.31 to $323.39 and an average around $200, depending on the level of initial demand. Reddit community consensus. Many community members anticipate Pi coin could reach between $70 and $100 if the network continues expanding its user base and utility, though some believe initial hype might push prices higher. Coin data flow. Forecast. Their cautious projection indicates a potential initial trading range from 0.0000046 to 0.0000138, acknowledging the speculative nature and nascent stage of Pi as a fully